Hi everyone! As you know, we must work from home during these days. I'm going to explain to you what we are going to do for arts during this week. We are going to fight the virus and we are going to make an arts and crafts activity at the same time. We are going to make a banner like this one. Look, that says, stay at home. Stay at home. Can you see? Well, what you need to make the banner, the materials you need are pencil, scissors, paintbrush, and markers or paints. Well, you are going to do a drawing of yourself and the people that is with you at home. Te dibuixes a tu mateixa i la gent que està amb tu a casa. Then, let's decorate and color. Finally, with the help of an adult, you are going to hang the banner in your balcony so everybody can see it from the street. If you want your banner to be famous, you can send it to infancia@asociacionquera.org. Sorry. And they will post it. That's all. We are going to fight the virus, and as you know, when we are doing arts, we can create everything we can imagine. See you. Bye.